This tutorial will show you how to make a quick drawstring backpack using an old pair of jeans. To start with, you want to cut the legs off of a pair of pants. And then you want to cut the pant legs open along the outer seam so that they will lay flat. After that, you want to line up your two pant legs and cut them so that they are even along the sides and the top and the bottom. Now you want to use a seam ripper to cut the belt loops off of the waistband of your pants. Fold them in half and baste the two belt loops to the bottom of the drawstring bag, whichever side you want to make the bottom. Then you want to sew the front and the back of the bag together, with right sides together. Make sure to leave 2.5 inches unsewn at the top of the bag. Now you want to make a narrow hem on the 4 edges at the top of the bag. Fold over the top of the bag and sew it along the bottom to create a casing for your drawstring. Now turn your bag to the right side, and then all you have to do is add the drawstring to the casing. You need 2 pieces of string or cord, and they both need to go all the way around through both casings. So one string you insert through the left side and then thread it all the way around till it comes back out the left, and the other will do the same thing on the right side. Then you want to tie each string around the loops that we had at the bottom of the bag. And that's it, you're finished. You have a creative new drawstring tote bag that you made out of an old pair of jeans.